Kazakhstan, Central Asia's largest and most diverse economy. Strategically located on the doorstep of a marketplace of 500 million consumers, Kazakhstan offers preferential access to some of the world's fastest growing economies. Unsurprisingly, Kazakhstan has the region's highest level of foreign direct investment. Global investors are eligible for an extensive package of support, including duty-free imports of raw materials and equipment, preferential access to plots of land, real estate and equipment as part of inside grants, progressive tax breaks, and a wealth of investment subsidies. Investors in Kazakhstan's priority industries can benefit from these government-backed incentives. Kazakhstan has 12 special economic zones with a special legal regime, alongside tax and customs breaks. In addition, there are 22 unique industrial zones. All special economic and industrial zones already benefit from vital and modern infrastructure. The AIFC is transforming Kazakhstan into a regional financial center. It offers tax exemptions, a simplified visa and employment regime, and will connect Astana with other global financial hubs. As the national company for attracting high-quality global investment, Kazakh Invest acts as a one-stop shop for all your investment needs. Take the first step. Let Kazakh Invest lead you on your investment journey.